I am going to take you through the process of updating your current KYC details in the Employees Provident Fund portal. This is important because as it is an important part of the PF process. Let's begin. Open any web browser and type the URL as shown on the screen. Then click on Services, which is the first option in the menu, and then select the option for Employees, the second on the list. Scroll down to the Services section and click on the second option, that is Member UN or Online Service, OCS or OTCP. On the right hand side, enter your UAN and the password. Don't forget to type the CAPTCHA details. Once you log in to the PF portal, click on Manage tab and click KYC. It is important to note that an OTP will be sent to your Aadhaar linked mobile number while submitting KYC. Here you need to select the KYC document type you would like to update and provide the KYC details exactly as mentioned in the KYC documents. Please make sure you enter the details without any typing error. It is important to ensure that you tick the consent checkbox before proceeding. To submit the updated KYC documents, click on Save. Once submitted, please take the approval pending screenshot and send it to your employer along with copies of your KYC document. Once your employer approves the KYC, it will be successfully updated. We hope you have found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.